Do you have enough money to retire? Will your income last the rest of your life and your spouse's life, no matter how long you live? How much do you need to retire? One of the biggest concerns of pre-retirees and retirees today is outliving their money. Why? There are two main reasons. Number one, you have no idea how long you're going to live. Is it going to be 65, 75, or 105? And number two, if you have your hard-earned dollars in the stock market, you have no idea if it's going to go up or down. Hi, I'm Chad Slagle, president and founder of Slagle Financial, financial advisor and host of the Chad Slagle Show, coaching you to and through retirement. We're going to be talking about today is step 2 of our financial GPS, income planning. You know, today we live in a pensionless society, so these concerns are far greater than they were, say, 20, 30 years ago when somebody got ready to retire. Now, the burden is all on you, which is why income planning, step 2 of our financial GPS process, is so important today. In step 1, we went over investment planning, and I encourage you to check that out and make sure you've watched that. And the reason investment planning is first because we need to determine the risk you can and are willing to take. And then from there, we can determine what vehicles we can use to generate the income that you need. So income planning is about determining how and when to draw from your investments, and your investments can be split up into 3 different areas. The first area is your savings, that what we call that non-qualified money. And this is money, of course, folks, we've already paid tax on, money you have sitting in your checking account or your savings accounts. Then there are what we call qualified accounts. Qualified accounts is money that you've never ever paid tax on, like your IRAs, your 401ks, your 403bs, your TSAs, your TSPs, your IRAs, separate IRAs. These are monies that you've never ever paid taxes on. So we want to be careful when we draw from these accounts. Now, you should have already, hopefully, set up a Roth IRA, and that is something we can get started, and this will be part of that tax plan. How to get money out tax-free for you, but also for your beneficiaries. And that is all covered in step 3 of our financial GPS process, that tax plan. Of these 3 areas, you may draw income from all 3 or maybe just one. It all depends on your income needs, the tax rates, and how they're changing from year to year. So let me give you an example. Let's say that we have Bob and Mary, and Bob and Mary come into our office, and let's say they have $1 million saved up in their retirement accounts and their portfolio. And we figured out that they need $50,000 a year of that money to live off of comfortably coming in each and every year to support their lifestyle. Now, we can use a financial tool called Riskalyze to show them the current risk they're taking and helps us identify their attitude and their comfort level when it comes to that risk number and figure out if it aligns with their current investment strategy. In this specific situation, we ran the numbers and they not only had a shortfall of $4,000, but they also had a very high probability of that money running out in retirement, which is very scary today. Now, when it comes to Social Security, you often hear, wait till a certain age, wait till you reach that full retirement age. But in our opinion, if you need to take it, take it. It doesn't make sense to draw from other assets when Social Security is available. And it is important to remember life happens and you must take time to not only develop a plan today, but work with some to continually reevaluate as life changes and as things happen in your life. So let's review our financial GPS. Our guided planning system it uses the following building blocks to create a comprehensive plan. Number 1, risk assessment and investment strategy. Number 2, income plan. Number 3, tax plan. Number 4 of that big unknown, healthcare and long-term care. And number 5, that estate plan. And all these steps are blocks that you need to build a solid foundation so you can get successfully to and through retirement. Please subscribe to our channel so we can continue to educate and empower you to make the best decisions with your hard-earned dollars. And be sure to share this video with your family and friends, those that you care most about. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you can be notified whenever we come out with new content. From my team at Slagle Financial, thank you for watching. This has been the coach, Chad Slagle, here to coach you every step of the way on this journey through retirement. Until next time.